Kahnyau Trap Youth Council hakasngi balang, kala kerpat yung Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba polling do, ba untuk tuklar lem hakaban pentikna, baki Ophis jangka Sorkar Pdeng kin pintrai kam ya kacing bahakam ke ba 100% na kabenta ki riewlum jangka jela Meghalaya. Kahnyau Trap Youth Council kala dawaru ba diban tungno ya ka fast track code, ban bishar klo ya ki case ki biadai bat ke NDPS, but ban pintrai kam ya ka Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988. Hakashit hi bala IT show Menteri Sorkar, Presiden Kahnyau Trap Youth Council, Uba Roy Kupar Sindram, ulayat ho bakaseng kalakintu ya ka Sorkar Meghalaya, banshimi ki sinja manpintikna babaro ki office, jaka puli, bat kiwai ki bade jong ka Sorkar Pdeng, ki badon hapok Meghalaya, makide ban board ni pintri kam ya ka office memorandum, bat kiwai ki jing patha ki bala ay ka Sorkar Pdeng, ka Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances, and Pensions Department of Personnel and Training New Delhi, kanang bagi samla try ri jong ka jala kinyo jing mentoy.
When it comes to Meghalaya, that those OM as well as the compendium of the year 2022, it has specifically stated that the reservation for Group C and Group D should be 44% for ST, which means the ST of the state of Meghalaya should get 44% reservation for Group C and Group D posts in all these institutes as well as the offices of the central government. But what we learn is that according to the information that we get from our sources, is that most of these central government offices as well as institutions, they don't follow these instruction given by the Ministry of Personnel and Training of the Government of India. So we have come today before the to meet the Social Welfare Minister in order to request the state government that the state government of Meghalaya should intervene in this matter. Especially, we have come to know that NIHU has already called for advertisement for the post of non-teaching staff. We know that if NIHU will follow this instruction, the OM, the ST population of the state will get job opportunities. But if NIHU does not follow, then we'll be losing on the job opportunity side. So we have requested the state government that they should intervene, and the minister concerned has assured us that the state government will intervene in this matter, and necessary action will be taken on the part of the state government, so that these institute or offices of the central which are located in the state of Meghalaya, they should follow this particular instruction given by the ministry concerned. We congratulate and we congratulate the state government for launching the DREAM project or the DREAM mission in order to combat drug menace in the state of Meghalaya. But we, as an organization, we don't want the DREAM project or the DREAM mission to be another document, another policy that looks good only on paper, but it is not being implemented as desired by the people of the state. We have seen in the DREAM project that the state government will be creating the special courts or the fast track court in order to trial the NDPS cases in the state. But it has been so many months since the DREAM project was launched, not even a single fast track court was created for the trial exclusively for NDPS cases. We have made a demand before the Social Welfare Minister that if you have written in the DREAM mission that special courts will be created, we want to see action on the field. So that especially in East Kashmir district, with the rise of NDPS cases, we want the trial of these cases should be so fast that the people who are, especially the witnesses, we feel bad for the witnesses, especially the Rangbashnong. They have to come and attend courts every month to give witness in the case of NDPS. The trial of cases goes on for years, for 10 years, for 12 years. So we want fast track court to be established, and he has assured us that there will be a meeting, the first ever meeting of the committee that will be chaired by the Chief Minister on the 5th of this month. And this issue that have been brought by us will be taken before that meeting, and necessary action will be taken.